Driven by Apple Intelligence, Math Notes is exceptionally powerful. What I love the most about this new feature is the ability to quickly sort out any math equations. The Apple Calculator app doesn't offer a native way to export a math note as PDF. There is a pretty handy workaround that gets the job done. That said, let me show you how to quickly convert your math note into PDF on your iPhone. To get started, you have to launch the Apple Calculator app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now tap on the tiny calculator icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then choose the Math Notes option in the menu. Now open the note that you would like to convert into PDF. Then tap on the Share icon at the top. After that, select the Print option in the Share sheet. Now, as soon as you select the Print option, your math note will be converted into a PDF file. And finally, tap on the Share icon at the top, and then you can choose to save your exported PDF file in the Apple Files app or share it via email, WhatsApp, or another preferred medium. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily convert your math notes into PDFs on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.